What? 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 Say something to me. You never struck me as the least bit mean before. I make little jokes sometimes at other people's expense, and I worry that if you're around, you'll take it wrong. I worry that you'll hate me for it. I feel bad, truly, and I don't ever mean anything by it. But I worry that your basic fundamental kindness, the likes of which I've never seen until I met you, would make you dislike me. I worry that the smallest transgression would make you lose respect for me. That's my greatest fear. I've never told you that. I don't understand what happened. Whatever I did, I'm sorry. Other people treat me like this. Not you. Not you.